Look, there is currency nothing to do with the MSME or in general. The reason being, if you would have seen my presentation also, I highlighted that within a short span of 7 days, when the rupee moved from 65 to 69, the range I'm talking, and there was a big havoc in the 2013, and there were a lot of panic decisions on the base of that, which was taken by the government or RBI. Then Governor Mr. Subbarao were more damaging than doing anything good. Once after September, when Dr. Raghuram Rajan came, he controlled the things. The confidence has started building up, and then the rupee came back and remained range bound. The currency keep on changing. It will keep on changing in line with the inflation and everything. If you look at from 3150 in 1995, today is 62. So what is a big thing? Because if you look at the inflation, even 5% in average, which was much higher, then also it should be more than 90% devaluation. So still you are within that. It's not that anything is abnormal. Rupee you would have seen even 55 or 58 had the RBI would not have controlled, because otherwise the FIIs will take away their investment, because the reason being, supposing they have brought the money at 55, 56 or 60 per se, if they get the opportunity, they will take away the money at 62. So, sorry, at 55, 58. They want to make the killing on the exchange rate also, which no government will allow to do that. So that is why RBI is keeping the rupee in the range bound. So they should not get additional advantage of the rupee depreciation. RBI has given lot of, because Tamanna has not said that, but RBI had given lot of leeway to the SMEs and all those things for hedging. But Indian psychology and tendency is that you want to eat and you want to eat but you don't want to share. That's the problem. They don't want to they want to have a more profitability, but they don't want to take the risk. That is the major problem here in India. When now, for example, Reserve Bank of India has allowed SMEs up to $250,000 without any documentation or anything, they can hedge. But nobody is going to hedge. But they say, oh, rupee, if they get weaker, we will get more. So you can't have both the things together. No? Why don't you book your profit, hedge your risk? But they don't want to.
And why they don't want it?
Because Indian psychology is such. No? So far they have only thought, oh, rupee is going to devalue only, one-way traffic. But they have never thought, when the chips are down, first of all, what they mean about the Achhe Din. Nobody understands that. Achhe Din means you have got the avenues to export and everything. Your realization is you can pay any time. But if you don't do, you want to ride on 2 horses, then you will be always ready to fall down. There are a lot of opening has been done by RBI. They have given a lot of support to the MSME sector and all those things. And they have instructed the banks that the MSMEs and others, they can hedge their risk. You see, we have suggested not only MSMEs, so let us not confine only to the MSMEs. We have suggested that to reduce the cost of interest, which is a major pressure for the SMEs or anyone, to take some measures, and the banks should allow to lend in the foreign currency where the natural hedge, natural receivable and the accruals are there. So they should not expose to the foreign exchange risk.